United is a full-service residential and commercial windows, siding, and door installation company. What we do every day is transform homes. But what we are really aspiring to do is transform the lives inside the homes. We work directly with homeowners to discover how to bring their dreams to life. By the end of the project, we want all our customers to feel like they've won the lottery. We specialize in single-family as well as multi-family units. As no single solution best fits every home, we customize each project by offering a wide range of different products including James Hardie, LP SmartSide, fiberglass, vinyl, aluminum, or wood. Not only are we committed to transforming the look, longevity, and efficiency of your home, but our job isn't complete until we have exceeded your quality and service expectations. Our goal is to make you smile every time you return home, even years after our work is done. So come, unite with us.